closer. Get a couple drinks, get to know ya.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting on with a damp hair, and then I'll go in with my hair oil. This is a mixture of castor oil and coconut oil, and then after putting that on my hair, I'll start massaging it. Next, I'll start twisting my hair, and this is after I have combed it. I'll start twisting my hair, and the reason I'm doing this is because I want my hair to be stretched before styling. So this is how my hair looks like after I was done twisting, and then next I'll unravel the twist to get my hair ready for styling. Now that my hair is stretched and the twists unravel, I'll start parting my hair. I'll part my hair into two sections, the front section and the back section. Next, I'll go in with my favorite styling gel, which is the Slick and Shine hair gel, and then apply it on the front section of my hair. So if you haven't tried the Slick and Shine hair gel, please make sure you try it, because this is literally the best hair gel that I've applied on my hair, because it has no flakes and then it doesn't leave your hair drying like the rest of the gels. And I'm not saying this because this is my product, I'm saying this because this is a product that has worked for me and so many other people out there. So if you haven't grabbed it, please make sure you do so. And also you can follow us on Instagram at slick_shine and Facebook at slick and shine. Yeah, so I'm gonna be applying the gel on the front section of my hair, and as you can see, I didn't use that much, but you can see my hair is already laying down. Yeah, and then once that is done, I'll put my hair into a mini ponytail and then tie a head wrap and let it air dry. So this is me after an hour, and as you can see, my hair is laid, guys. Like, it's laid to the goals. Like I was saying before, if you haven't tried the Slick and Shine hair gel, please make sure you give it a try, because it's the best hair gel in town and you'll not regret buying it. Yeah, so now I'm gonna be working on the back section. I'll put my hair into twists, ready to clip in the hair. So these are the clips that I'm going to use. I created the clips with an extension by Darlene called Nashoyaki. Next, I'll start clipping the hair onto my hair, and as you can see, this is as simple as it looks. You open the clips and then you pin them down on your hair. And I'll be doing that for the rest of the back section of my hair.
I begin to.
So now I'm working on the front section of the hair. I'm going to be taking a piece of the extension which has no clips and then comb it through and then start attaching it onto the mini ponytail that I created. So it's as simple as you can see.
It's so special, boy, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're not home.
So once I'm done wrapping the hair around the ponytail that I created, I'll take my bobby pins and then secure the hair.
You're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure.
I begin to. I begin to.